Imagine if instead of just writing an email, your AI could research the client, check the calendar, write the draft, and send it for you. That is an AI agent. But to make these agents work together without crashing your computer, you need a framework. Today, I'm going to show you the top 4 manager systems of AI and which one you should pick to start your own side hustle. To understand these frameworks, we first have to fix a huge misconception. Most people think coding is about writing every single instruction. In the agent era, you aren't a laborer, you're the architect. An agent is an AI with a goal and a toolbox. But if you have 5 agents all trying to work on the same project without talking to each other, you just have a digital riot. The framework is the office building where those agents live. It provides the desks, the Wi-Fi, and the rules for how they collaborate. If you pick the right building, the work gets done while you sleep. Pick the wrong one, and you're stuck debugging all night. So let's take a look at the 4 big agentic AI frameworks dominating the market. First up is CrewAI. Think of this as the manager for a small creative team. It's all about character roles. You don't just give a command, you give a personality. You tell the AI you are a world-class researcher who never misses a detail. You can actually pick one of the AIs to be a manager. This boss looks over the shoulder of all other agents. If the writer AI does a lazy job, the manager AI will literally send it back and say, "Try again, this isn't good enough." It's perfect for human jobs like writing blogs, planning social media, or researching leads. Next is LangGraph. If CrewAI is an office, LangGraph is a high-tech factory with a perfect blueprint. It uses shared memory. Every time an agent finishes a task, it puts its notes into a shared box that the next agent can see. No one ever loses their place. Most AI moves in a straight line. It finishes and stops. LangGraph allows the AI to turn around. If the final inspector finds a mistake, the system automatically loops back to the start to fix it before you even see the error. It's for perfectionists who want to build a system that cannot fail. Then we have the powerhouse from Microsoft, AutoGen. It's built on team talk. Instead of a flowchart, you put agents in a group chat, give them a goal, and let them talk it out until they solve it. This is AutoGen's superpower. You have a coder and a tester. The coder writes the script, the tester runs it and says, "This broke." They argue back and forth, fixing the code in real time until the software actually works. It is the undisputed king for anything involving technical tasks or writing computer code. Finally, there's the newest player, PydanticAI. It focuses on strict results. It's the framework that stops AI from rambling. It forces the AI to give you the exact answer in the exact format you need. No hallucinations allowed. The framework makes it very easy or very safe to plug your AI into your real business data, like your actual customer list or your bank balance. It ensures the AI doesn't get confused by the real world outside of its chat box. It's for professional tools where accuracy is the only thing that matters. Now, looking at these 4 giants might feel like a lot. You're probably asking, which one do I actually download first? As an architect, you don't use a sledgehammer to hang a picture frame. Similarly, you don't use LangGraph to write a simple tweet. You match the tool to the mission. Here's the decision matrix for your 2026 side hustle. Start with CrewAI if you're a solopreneur who wants to build an AI employee for your business today. Level up to LangGraph if you're building a complex app that needs 100% reliability. And use AutoGen if your goal is to automate heavy-duty software coding. And stick with PydanticAI if you're building professional tools for clients where data accuracy is everything. The takeaway is this: stop trying to be the person who writes the email. Be the person who builds the system that writes an email. Python is just the glue. These frameworks are the blueprints for your new digital workforce. Next week, I'm putting CrewAI to the ultimate test. I'm going to see if I can build an agentic team to run a real-world business task. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the build and the inevitable chaos when the agents start talking back. I'll see you in the next one.